What's the key difference between filing your taxes and actually planning for them?
Yeah, I mean, that's what most people are used to when you talk to an accountant is they just want to file your taxes. They might not ask you a ton of questions and they might just collect your information and just say, "Okay, whatever you give me, that's good." And then they just want to file your tax return and just be done with it. Um, the real difference is we meet with our clients throughout the year and we implement tax strategies. So we always do an accountable plan. The business reimburses the business use of your home. And we do an Augusta plan where your business has business meetings at your personal residence. And if you rent out your home for 14 days or less during the year to anyone, it's a non-taxable thing. You don't have to report it to the IRS. But if you have an S corp, which is a separate entity, rent your personal residence, it's a tax-free way for your business to pay you and a deduction to the business. Same thing with the accountable plan, like I just said, it's a tax-free way for you to uh, really pay a percentage of any of the cost it costs to run your home. And that takes planning and documentation throughout the year, but it's completely worth it. And we have clients come to us all the time who are just saying, how come my last accountant didn't ask me any of these questions? And I don't want to use the word lazy, but a lot of accountants just don't, they're not incentivized. They don't want to, they don't really, they have no reason to work extra hard for you. They just want to get the work done and just file once a year. And you only talk to them a couple days before April 15th when they just beg you for the information. But, we're planning throughout the year and it's not stressful at all when you're always on top of all of the, um, on on top of your financials um, and also saving on tax.